Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is AzooL from AzooL channel. We are back with another car auction, but this auction is not a crash car auction. This is a normal cars. Yeah, so today we decided to visit a place which they auction a normal cars. So let's go inside and see what kind of car this place have. And of course, this is the old story. I'll try my best to visit these places because, as you know, Dubai is one of the special cities for the cars, and they have kind of any cars you imagine they have of that. So I decided to visit those places, and I'll try my best to give you as much as information for you people. Some places I also didn't know that exists, so it's kind of really good experience for me to search this kind of places, and I'll try my best to give you as much as information for those people who are interested to visit this kind of places. So in that case, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and we're gonna start this video. And on the video, I'm gonna give you all the information. First of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna tour off this place. We'll see what kind of car this place have, and we'll see how's the system for the auction. Let's start this video right now. So I just came out to show you most of the cars because this is a place which doesn't have lots of parking. So all of the cars, it's outside. So as you can see, they park all of the car out of the shop. And yeah, so it's kind of rush also because this is the auction day, so many people here to visit the place. Yeah, we'll go see if we can spot any special car which maybe they park somewhere here, maybe a GTR, maybe a Toyota Supra. We'll see, we'll try our luck, we'll see if we can find those cars or no. Still, I'm searching on outside, see what I can find, and I think I find a really interesting lineup. We have at least I can say more than 20 Toyota Crown. Those people who exactly don't know what model, which brand is Crown, make sure to check my other video which I have a proper review about the Toyota Crown. Yeah, this is a Toyota, and this is the luxury model for the Toyota which they use only in Japan, not in any other country. No, they're waiting to be auctioned on that place. So let's go, so let's move on. We'll see what else we could find from this parking lot. So this is a Toyota Prius, yeah, and I think already sold. As you can see, the sticker sold out. And what else? We have another Toyota Prius in here, and yeah, so as you can see, people are buying the car and taking out from this place as well. There's a lot of cars on the recovery side. As you can see, yeah, this is the Voxy. I'm not sure which car is that. I think I find something interesting. So this is a Lexus LS 430. Yeah, in Japan they call this car a Toyota Sealshore. Yeah, they had really crazy custom modify on this car as well. So let's go and check this car. I really love the color, guys. And the first thing, it just breaks my heart, guys, because this car is so much low in the ground, and they try to park on this side. So actually, as you can see, they have a little bit this car to park, and they damaged this rear bumper. So that's really heartbreaking. I'll see what else they try to damage this car, and I'm not sure if this car already sold. So I'm not sure if this car already sold or no, because I couldn't find any sticker which they write is it sold or no. So hope so this car is not sold. Notice something else on this car, guys. Actually, this fog lamp is for the Lexus LS 460, and they managed to put on this car. And there's a lot of crazy custom. Previous owner was really crazy about the car. He had a lot of stuff in this car. So this is a Lexus 460, and I really love, especially if the first thing, guys, I really love the rim. This is actually a really cool rim, and as you can see, yeah, this car is right-hand drive. Okay, let's go from inside. The first reaction, it's a black color. Yeah, of course, from outside it's black again, and this is a 2007 Lexus. There's no accident on the front of this car or even from the back of this car. So this is the car my friend bought it, the Lexus 460, and a really good price. So we're going to take a small look on this car. We'll see. Yeah, we're going to start from here, guys. As you can see, all of those cars are already sold. They have the sticker for the sold. So this is the place all the cars are sold. So we're going to not waste our time in here. So we're going to move on. We'll see what else we can find interesting, and let's go what car not sold, because from now any car I saw, it's already sold. I think this is the line they start. This is the line they want to start. All the car will be here. So as you can see, people here. This is all the numbers. As you can see, lot number 178, and this is all the details for the vehicle. It's a Toyota Corolla hatchback, and it have the AC, airbags, ABS system, this kind of stuff. And most of the cars are here for the auction, and all of them are right-hand drive. So that means they're gonna export to other countries. Example, the most country this car gonna go, the first will be Pakistan, India, African countries who use right-hand cars. Yeah, make sure to check my other video which I visit a place which they do a crash car auction. So that'll be also interesting video. I think we are already reached the place. As you can see, all the cars are lined up. So this is all the cars. People are trying to check the cars. So this is the line up for the auction, this line, and after that we'll see how the system for the auction gonna start. So guys, the auction is just running, guys. I think they sold another car as well in here. So how the system work in here, as you can see, a lot of people are gathered here, and from there the car will come through there, stop here, and after that people gonna see from the display, will see how much the price, and they're gonna raise their hand up. So we're gonna let me not talk and show you how the system work on this place.
Each under 5,000, each under 5,000, each under 5,000, over 4,000, each under 4,000, each under 5,000, 5,000, 255,000, 6,000, 1,600, 5,000, 6,000, each under 5,000, each under 5,000, each under 5,000, each under 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, each under 5,000, 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 out of 5,000, now 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 166,000, 366,000, 266,000, 366,000, 466,000, 400, 566,000, 606,000, 606,000, 100. 866,000 and 166,000 and so 100, 805,000, 805,000, 805,000 and 105,000.
So the auction is going on, guys. It's kind of very loud. I can't just talk from there, so I came a little bit far away. So guys, I was checking on this side auction and I just noticed something else. Next shop on that side, it's going another auction. So basically what happened, this auction already finished and there's another auction going on that side. I'm gonna go there and record a proper video how they do the secret auction. That's really interesting. So for this video, thank you so much guys. Till you make it till to the end, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and of course share this video as well. So stay tuned and I'm gonna go check that other auction. Peace.